Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be showing you on how to put an outer glow on an image. So if you missed our masking and quick selector tool or cutting out, go ahead and go back and watch it. I'll put it in the cards up above so you can actually go take a look at it. So let's go ahead and get started on this. So here we actually have the image. We have the image selected. It's open. So we're gonna right click. Make sure to let you right click the right layer. Right click and you click on blending options. You click on outer glow. Make sure it's checked, and you could actually adjust the size of how you want it to look. You want it smaller, you want it larger. You have that capability of doing that. And you could also on the spread, you could spread it out how if you want to make it smaller, a small layer of outer glow just to make it pop. You want to make it bigger, you want to make it solid, pretty much a solid color. It's all up to you and what you're trying to push out. I've seen it in movies. I've seen it in so many things. Not in the movies, but in the covers. And I've used it for my thumbnails. I've seen other YouTubers do it the same. So this is how you do the outer glow on it. But you also have other options under the technique. You could do precise to make it more out glow with like little streaks, like if it's just like a light behind you trying to shine over you. You have that option. You also have the option to change the color. It just depending, like since this is the dark background, I would put something that's like out like bright, like a neon color, like something like a white, light blue, nothing too within the dark range. Like if you do a dark blue, you can't see the outline. So I stick to like a bright color, so you could actually stand out. You could stand out from the background image. You also have the option to change the noise to make it more particle. As you can see, you can make it particle. If you like to make things particle, that's a good tool for you. If you like to change opacity to make it brighter, to make it darker, dimmer, you could do that as well. So it won't pop you out too much, or the color won't display as much. You also have the option to like change it to dissolve. You have the darken, you have multiply, you got color burn. I don't want to go through every single color, every single type of blend mode. You could play with it and see what your liking is. I usually leave it normal. I'll use it normal, and I'll use a dissolve sometimes, or I'll do a screen. I'll do color dodge, just depending on the like colors. Depending on everything, just it makes a big difference of depending on what you're trying to push out onto the image. So you hit OK, or let's go back to normal so you can stay seeing the color. You hit OK, and as you can see on the screen, you see the image highlighted with a pretty nice glow, not too rough around the edges, just enough just to see it and just to pop off from the background. So if you have any comments or any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll actually try to answer you as fast as possible. So please make sure you smash that thumbs up. If you have any other videos you want me to make, comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Peace.